Madaling maging masaya, una, kung involved ka. Number two, included ka. At higit sa lahat, madaling maging masaya kung nararamdaman mong accepted ka. Siguro kaya nyo pang i-take yung offense na hindi kayo nireplyan, pero hindi nyo kakayanin i-take ang offense na pinagpalit kayo sa iba. Feeling mo rejected ka. Bakit? Kasi dahil kulang ba ako? May problema ba ako? Bakit kailangan humanap ng iba? Rejection it doesn't just involve hurting you. Actually, it involves not accepting you. Itong rejection na to has been here. That's why, mga kapatid, hindi nyo na maaalis ang rejection. We can only manage and overcome rejection. Tingnan nyo to. That's why the Bible says in the book of Proverbs, chapter 29, verse 25, ang sabi doon is, fearing people is a dangerous trap, but trusting the Lord means safety. Na kapatid, rejection is not always about you. Pero sa Diyos, minahal ka na niya noon nang hindi ka magaling, hindi ka mabuti, marami kang kasalanan, at mahal ka niya ngayon, and He will never love you more, nor He will love you less. Bakit kaya mo magpatawad sa asawa mong winalang hiya ka? Because you have experienced the grace, because you have experienced the love, because you have experienced the forgiveness, kaya mong gawin. Only those who have experienced the grace, the forgiveness, and the love of God can do that.